Hello, fellow YouTubers. I'm going to do an unboxing here. I just got my package in from ScaleTrains. I ordered it on, let me see here, what date was that I ordered? Let's go to the website and see. I ordered it on December 5th. So and it got here, and today's date is December 8th. UPS says it wasn't supposed to arrive until Monday, the tracking. It got here on a Saturday. So let's see what we've got in the box. Now this is supposed to be the detail kits for an HO scale Tier 4 Gevo. This is like my 6th or 7th order from them, and they've always packed it really well. Alright. Let's see here. According to the invoice, there is a operator HO scale Pullman Standard PS2CD 4785CF covered hopper Staley TLCX 35069 and a operator series HO scale Tier 4 Gevo detail kit. Alright, the detail kit was $29.99, I believe. Yeah, $29.99 for the detail kit. And if you look here, there's the detail kit. Looks pretty nice. It's got airlines, EMU hoses, grab irons, supposed to be windshield wipers, brake chains, coupler cut levers, all that good stuff. This is what I did not order. This is not expected when I ordered it. Over Thanksgiving they had a sale going on. You ordered a operator series Tier 4 Gevo with DCC and sound for $149, and they shipped you a free freight car of their choice. I had gotten one of these, but it's marked in Norfolk Southern. And the other day I decided to go ahead and order the detail kit for the operator series. And to my surprise, when I went to pay for it, it was on back order. And I finally got the email the other day let's see here. That's not the one. Yeah, the order came in on the 4th for me to pay. The request for payment was on the 4th. I paid it on the 5th. And here it is, the 8th, and I've received it already. When I went to pay for it, I was surprised, and I'll show you what I saw. I saw this when I went to pay for it. Cancel. So I went back out to my main order screen, and there's the same order number again. Only this time, to my surprise, here's this attached to it. As you can imagine, I was nicely surprised. Pay $29 and get a $26 freight car for free. I am not complaining by no means. Also in the box, there is some more candy, which was in there the other day. A $5 discount code. Yeah, I should have used that the other day. I had one. I've got another one of those. And that's it in this box. The last box I got from them also had a magazine, and I've gotten stickers in the past. I've gotten catalog from them. I've also gotten, which this is sort of the catalog that you get at times. That's their new, what they're getting ready to come out with. That's what I got in the last order. The magazine that I got in the last order. Let's open this puppy up and see what it looks like. Now granted, their operator series does not have a whole lot of detail on them because they're for operators. Right, in this box you have your instructions. And with the instructions is your parts breakdown. And you got warranty information and parts ordering. Let's sit that back in the box. Their boxes are fairly decent quality. They're a heavy cardboard. The acetate windows on them are fairly heavy acetate. And we'll open this thing up. Yeah, let's get you moved in here closer. Alright, so we got Throttle Plastic as standard with most models. Alright, so we've got ScaleTrains, knuckle couplers, step plates, we got a coupler cut lever, got some decent detail parts. There's some flaws in the castings. or the paint. This is not, by no means, their operator or their rivet counter series. Those are actually for grab handles, I believe. Two little dots up here. See if I can get it to focus. You have steps. These little stirrups, you can't really see them, they're black. Let me see if I can, there you go, now you can see it. The B end, that was the A end. The B end is similar. You've got a brake valve, an air tank, coupler cut lever. You got pre-drilled for airlines. On all for a $26 car, they are fairly nice. They roll smooth. You got brake chain detail. So, you got the walkways are molded plastic. The steps are molded plastic. Your hatches, they're a fairly hefty car. Let's see what we actually have on weight. That is 133 grams. But needless to say, ScaleTrains has not let me down. They always have a tendency to surprise me. Was not expecting to receive a free freight car with a $30 purchase. I will be sure to tell Shane and them thanks. I'll either contact them via Facebook and let them know how much I appreciate the free equipment that they're giving out. Now I'm sure it's probably as we all know, they start discounting things about the time they start getting ready to get a new shipment in. So I'm sure it's probably partly due to that. The reason why they shipped it out is because they're trying to get rid of some of their stock that they have on the shelves, so they can get their new stuff in. All in all, I have no complaints. My next video, I am going to try to do a head-to-head of the Tier 4 Gevo rivet counter, along with the Tier 4 Gevo operator series. So that is all for now. Thank you for watching.